Hi guys, we are Ash and Tonic, Anjali and
Twinkle.
and we are going to play a fun game today. So it's like hot or not,
Okay.
but it's going to be like from
Our version.
Yeah, my end. I will rate things whether I find them ash or trash, and you will rate them whether you find them.
Tonic or toxic?
Yes, you go first. I'll ask you some
Okay.
like situations, incidents,
Okay.
questions. Posting gym selfies with inspirational quotes.
Tonic.
Trash.
Seriously? What are you saying? It's tonic, bro.
Typing good vibes only in caption.
Tonic. Trash.
Feet pics at the beach. Feet दिखते हैं, beach दिखता है, toes and like sand.
It's not as tonic also, it's not toxic also, but it's more or less trash. So yeah.
Posting gifts from your partner with a caption, he knows me so
Toxic.
well.
Toxic into 10x.
And trash into 10x.
I have a story about this. A woman, married woman, apparently a big influencer. I don't want to name her. She had written huge ass post thanking or being grateful for her husband कि he does this for me etc. फिर a couple of months उनका divorce हो गया and that lady is all crying and everywhere sad and apparently she was going through a very bad phase as well. Came out
Yeah.
when she started speaking about it. So what nonsense are you posting? Why are you even posting it? Don't post no.
ये
खुश हो कि नहीं
तो
हो?
चैट जीपीटी भी नहीं था, मतलब ये सब उसने खुद से लिखा होगा.
Yeah, dude, crazy. It's toxic to another level. I seriously don't like people who like put their love life all out there unless and until you are creating content only, like couple specific content, because there are creators who do that. But otherwise people who are like he did this for me, वो ये लाया वो, अबे चुप पागल, नहीं सुनना मुझे, मैं single हूँ.
Yeah, and don't you feel scared कि नजर लग जाए?
You should never do.
I believe
feel
in nazar.
if you are genuinely loving it, enjoying it, and you are in a good
Yeah,
place,
keep
you
it safe.
keep it to yourself.
Like, yeah, keep it
Low key.
Yeah, low key. Okay, so the next one, reposting every birthday story you are tagged in.
No, एक तो firstly very less people post stories about my birthday. I only repost if like I really like the song or it feels special to me. But no, I think it's toxic. Trash. What about you?
I do repost when people post for my birthday because it's so sweet. Yeah, someone is like putting a story for
Of
you.
course.
Travel reels with slow motion hair flips.
Ooh. Tonic.
Yeah.
Nice. Feels good.
Ash. Yeah. What I eat in a day, influencer style videos.
Tonic till the time they actually
Are genuine.
eat
Yeah,
that,
they are actually eating that. Yeah. Aesthetic coffee shots from Starbucks.
एक तो मेरे को Starbucks की कॉफ़ी कुछ खास पसंद नहीं है except for a couple of coffee. So yeah, no aesthetic coffee shops from Starbucks, but aesthetic coffee shots from other coffee shops. Tonic, because I love coffee.
Yeah, I agree. Photo dumps with 12 totally random pictures.
मैं तो उसको toxic भी ना बोलूँ. Those are dumps only. Like yeah, trash.
Over filtered selfies with fake
Toxic.
blush.
Very toxic. I try to use filters sometimes when the light is not the best, but yeah, it's toxic.
People who put the caption felt cute might delete later.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck, bro.
Posting your cat like it's a full-time
I don't
profession.
have a cat and
you can
it's
replace
toxic.
it with dog.
Tonic.
Guys, cat photos are so cute.
No.
Yes.
Cats are bitchy.
Cats are literally cats and not bitches. Like, scientifically, तुम गलत हो यार. Dramatic black and white heartbreak pictures. Deep quote about breakup.
Toxic.
Okay, so now rate these people. I'm sure you've met these people and you know these people. Someone who has only one picture on their entire profile.
What to rate them? They are almost non-existent on digital media, so whatever. They are non-existent for me also.
People who follow 800 people but have only 50 followers.
I don't trust them, honestly. I know people who have like 200-300 followers, but they are following 2,000-3,000 people. इतना time है क्या तुम्हारे पास सबका देखने का? What are you doing, bro? I don't trust them.
People who post only couple photos.
Toxic.
Gym progress stories every single day.
I've done that. Every single day. तो progress दिखता ही नहीं है, तो it is redundant to do that. But if you are doing this 75 hard or 21 days challenge, which I did, so it actually made me go to the gym regularly.
Yeah, you feel
because of
accountable because you have to take
yes.
that.
You should know how to put it aesthetically, because if you are putting just one story, it is not aesthetic. But I know some people who are like putting 4 stories in 4 shots in one. Yeah, collage. It looks good.
Yeah. People who wipe their profile clean after a breakup. As in they delete all the couple photos and everything.
I've done that. Tonic. सबसे पहले डालो ही मत तुम जब तक क्लैरिटी नहीं हो कि इसके साथ ही शादी करनी है. शादी के बाद भी डिवोर्स हो गया तो मतलब अच्छा मत ही डालो.
मर ना जाओ एक साथ तब तक डालो मत. Okay, what about people who use hashtags like wanderlust, #blessed?
We are not in 2018, so I use blessed. I don't use blessed, but I feel blessed. But I don't use wanderlust now.
Yeah.
ठीक ही है, मतलब they're not even worthy of me calling them toxic. So 2018, yeah.
People who have only selfies on their profile and like
Toxic.
all of them are with sunglasses.
And filters, very toxic.
Yeah.
I'm like, तुम्हारा कुछ personality नहीं दिख रहा
I
है.
want to see people's eyes.
Yeah.
Like I need to see your eyes.
And men, especially men, जो सामने नहीं देखते, इधर देख रहे उधर देखते, ऐसे देख रहे, पोस्ट कर रहे चश्मे. भाई क्या कर रहे हो तुम? एक फोटो लेने नहीं आ रहा है तुमने.
But that is the pose.
It's a shitty pose. It's toxic. It's trash. Please.
People who like your stories within 5 seconds.
I feel
Depends on the person.
nahi. In fact, the one whom I really like, no, they'll not be on Instagram constantly to like my story 5 seconds में. जो कर देते हैं मुझे उनसे थोड़ा डर लगता है. And because now that my profile is open, I have actually blocked people who are liking my stories and posts within 5 seconds, or like they are actually going एकदम नीचे liking.
But aren't you trying to be an influencer?
नहीं, I am,
Don't you
but
want likes?
ऐसा नहीं. It is threatening me, bro. I feel unsafe. कि भाई क्या कर रहा है, देख, मुझे बता मत कि तू देख रहा है. लाइक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मतलब लाइक व्हेन आई हैव पोस्टेड 2017-18 की कोई पिक्चर लाइक करा, धड़ाधड़ 20 लाइक्स आ रही है. I'm like, what the fuck? ब्लॉक कर इसको. I block them.
इसीलिए फॉलोअर्स बढ़ नहीं रहे.
क्योंकि मैं ब्लॉक करती हूँ. I love to block people. They're making me uncomfortable. Even I stalk people. Doesn't mean let the other person know that I'm stalking you.
But that is worse ना.
No, it's not worse. It's healthy. सब करते हैं. पर तुम जब भी like करते हो, I feel I'm in a vulnerable position. I need to block this.
और फिर एटलीस्ट ये बेचारा बंदा लाइक कर रहा है और तुम्हें उस पता चल रहा है कि ये लाइक कर रहा है.
कितना वेल्ला है कि वो लाइक कर रहा है. भाई इतनी पुरानी पोस्ट है, ऐसे लोग चाहिए भी नहीं मुझे मेरे
But the other people who are seeing and you don't even know कि they are seeing, that is more dangerous ना.
That is not dangerous. They are silent spectators, literally.
You
The
basically
one
want to put like a देखो मगर प्यार से और दूर से.
और मुझे पता मत लगने दो कि तुम देख भी रहे हो.
That is worse.
I think it is very. I feel they are criminals. I genuinely get those vibes कि why the fuck do you feel the need that you support एक बात होती है, पर तुम मेरे को बहुत ही uncomfortable feel करा रहे हो. और सब नहीं करते. I know some people are genuinely supporting me, friends or even like followers who are there.
Yeah.
But they don't need to prove their support by each and every story you're liking. You don't have a taste or what? Idiots.
एक तो सपोर्ट कर.
नहीं, मुझे डर लगता है ऐसे लोगों से. दूर रहो मुझसे. मत करो फॉलो, चलेगा, पर मेरे को ट्रॉमा मत दो बेकार का. I want to have best of both worlds. I've actually blocked 2 guys.
So now we know our opinion, your opinion and my opinion on all these amazing people and situations.
Petty things.
Yeah. So we will be back with another round of Ash or Trash.
And
Tonic or toxic.
This was actually fun. Did you all like it? Tell us in the comments below. And tell us what you would want us to rate. Yeah. Bye guys. Have a great day.